Good morning. I'm here and wanted to share some of the love and sweetness of all these babies at Oats Ivy today. I'm teaching a yoga class and I just did some Reiki to clear the space and getting help from these sweet babies and mamas, and got all aged goats today. So I'm so excited. They're so sweet and they're just here welcoming me in and clearing the space for everyone to do some grounding and connecting with Divine Mother healing energy. So just thought you all might like to see the goats and check out Oats Ivy Farm if you want to do a yoga class with goats. It's pure bliss and it's just fun because they are really sweet and they also love to nibble on your hair. And so I have my hair in a braid because I've learned from last classes that they literally will eat your hair. But anyways, come on out, check out their website to see about events. If anyone's interested, I can maybe help gather a class. All right. Hi, mamas. Yeah, so hope you all have a good day. And this little baby is here to eat my sandals. Those are plastic. They're probably not good for you. I'm gonna guess not. Yeah. Hi. All right. And here comes the class. Sending love. Bye.